You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, or should I say this abbreviation, once and for all correctly. It stands for different names: Giorgio, or as in Giorgio Armani, for example, or Giovanni. Gio is how it is pronounced. Essentially, in Italian, the GI, like this before a vowel, is like a J, alright? It's just to replace J. There's no J in the Italian alphabet, therefore they write it as in GI. Gio. So it's Gio, alright? The short O in Italian, Gio. Now in English, it generally be said as Joe, alright? Just like J-O-E, Joe, but it's actually Gio, as in acqua di Gio, Gio. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.